Hey guys, this video is going to be showing how to do a fuel filter change on a 2009 Yamaha V-Star 1100. Basically all the models I think are pretty much the same from like I think 1999 to like 2009 I believe is this generation. But anyways, I already kind of started a little bit. It's not too hard. You just take off the main seat here with the bolt up here, and there's other stuff like the tank and the air box. That's for something else, but don't worry about that. But just the seat. And next you want to take this plastic cover on right underneath the seat. You just unbolt it, some little snaps. Get that up, take it out of there. Down. And then you'll have some connections. I think these are on top, but you just unplug them if you want to move out the little cover. But this right here, this is the fuel filter for it. So it's pretty simple. All you're gonna need for tools is, well, just a pair of pliers, a screwdriver with the Phillips head, or just, in my case it was Phillips anyways, yours could be something else. And of course the new fuel filter. So just gonna take these off and I'll see you in a minute. All right, now those are taken off. You simply just want to kind of fold up. These kind of snap off these little holding pieces. Might be a little tough if there's an old fuel filter, but you want to get both these lines off. And there you go. I'm going to take a look. Actually, next I think I'm going to slide this rubber piece off. I'll do that right now. Need both hands. All right, got this little rubber piece off, and so if you can kind of see, like I bought this off Amazon. It was close enough. I think it was going to work. It's not the exact same dimensions, but I think it's close enough. But if you didn't notice, it's quite orange in there. It's after years and years of using it, but the new one's pretty clean, pretty clear. I bought this bike used a little bit ago, so I'm doing maintenance, and I actually just found something out though. But the arrow on the fuel filter, that is supposed to indicate which way the fuel is supposed to go, like flowing from the gas tank to like your carb or your fuel pump or further down the line. And I found out the person who owned this before had this backwards. So their fuel filter was like this. So the line is going the wrong way. This is pointing up towards the hose that goes to the fuel tank that was right there. So that is a problem, because I did have some problems with performance issues. And I think this might be some of it, because the fuel was going the wrong way. It's pushing extra pressure, making the fuel pump down here pull extra hard. So that's not great. I'm a little disappointed with that, but I'm glad I found it so we can address this issue. So when we put the new one in, always want to make sure to find where the arrow is. This one's a little tough, but there it is. It's kind of hard to see, but it's one right there pointing which way. So I'm going to put the rubber piece onto this guy, put it the proper way, making sure it's pointing this way, away from the fuel tank, towards your fuel pump and your carburetor. And yep, I'll be back in a second. All right, and I have the new fuel filter on. Gotta tighten it up all the way. The cables gotta snap in there. And here's the old fuel filter just next to it. That was the way it was. Make sure when you guys put yours on, always note the right way. If there is an arrow, that means you put it on the right way. You know, the fuel flowing towards the carb or towards the fuel injectors or towards the engine, you know, where it's supposed to be going, not the other way around. If there is not an arrow, that means it doesn't matter. We can put them on either or. But I think for most motorcycles I've seen, they usually have this. They usually have a direction. So make sure to do that. But yep. Anyways, pretty easy job. Maybe I don't know, with the whole seat and cover taken off, maybe 10 minutes at most of a job. So it's not that bad. New fuel filter might improve your ride a little bit, a little cleaner fuel. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.